Welcome to Happy Hands and Hearts. Today's fragment is the logic of algorithms. The word algorithm often sounds like a high-level mathematical mystery, but the logic is actually a part of every human life. An algorithm is simply a finite sequence of well-defined instructions to solve a problem. Whether you are tying your shoes, baking a cake, or searching for a video, you are following a logical process. In the digital world, an algorithm is the recipe that tells the computer exactly what to do with the data it receives. To understand an algorithm, look at the logic of the flow. Every algorithm starts with an input, the ingredients. It then moves through a series of processes, the mixing and the heating. Finally, it produces an output, the finished result. The magic is in the steps. A computer doesn't have hunches, it follows the steps exactly as written. If the steps are out of order, the logic fails. This is why learning to think algorithmically is the first step toward mastering AI. It is the skill of breaking big problems into tiny, manageable instructions. The most powerful part of an algorithm is conditionality. This is the logic of if-then. Imagine an algorithm for a self-driving car. If the light is red, then stop. If the light is green, then go. This branching logic allows the algorithm to make decisions without human help. By combining millions of these if-then choices, we create the complex systems that power our world. The algorithm doesn't decide based on feelings, it decides based on the logic of the conditions we set. Finally, we must understand optimization. There are many ways to solve a problem, but not all are equal. If you want to find a name in a phone book, you could start at page 1 and read every name. That is an algorithm, but it is slow. Or, you could open the book in the middle and decide if the name is in the first half or the second. This is a different algorithm, and it is much faster. Computer scientists call this Big O logic. It is the study of finding the most efficient path to a solution. As we move from beginner to advanced, we learn that the best logic is always the simplest. Logic is universal. Tools are temporary. Algorithms are the recipes of the digital age. Because they are based on simple step-by-step thinking, anybody can learn AI and algorithms. You don't need a supercomputer to understand the logic, you just need an open heart and a clear mind. Thank you for joining the vault at Happy Hands and Hearts.